I remember when I first started my video editing journey that I'd have like this awesome idea, but I couldn't figure out how to bring that idea to life through my edit. Well, that's exactly why this lesson will come in handy. We are going to explore the most used video editing techniques in Hollywood, and those techniques can really help you to create like impactful and meaningful videos. Ready to dive in? So let's start with this type of cut called cut on action or cut on continuity. In video editing, maintaining continuity is essential for storytelling. This is basically when you make a cut during a character's movement or action, which helps you create like a seamless transition between shots. Let's take a look at this example here. On this other one, the cut is right at the moment that the character is going to put the food in the microwave. I waited all day long. That naturally happens in most action-packed films or fighting scenes, where the editor cuts between shots as characters fight, making the transition smooth and maintaining the fast-paced energy. Remember, cutting on action is a great way to create a flow in your edits. So that's a good thing to keep in mind, be aware of, if you don't want to have like weird cuts in your videos and if you want to keep the continuity. Next up, we have jump cuts. They are cuts that create a sudden jump in time or space, which can be jarring for viewers if not used intentionally. However, when used creatively, jump cuts can be a powerful storytelling tool. This technique is used in many ways. One of them, to show the time passing by. As you can see in this scene,
trying to catch some chick. He's acting dumb. That's what you've come to expect.
Or in this old movie called Little Shop of Horrors. It can also be used to show a sense of urgency or to amplify tension. In this German thriller, jump cuts are used throughout the movie as the protagonist Lola races against time to save her boyfriend. This action thriller features a chase scene in which the protagonist, Jason Bourne, is pursued by a murder. The editor used jump cuts to increase the sense of urgency, creating a frantic and intense atmosphere during the chase. Lastly, this technique can simply be used as a style or effect, as you can see. And I can't forget to mention that this technique got really popular on TikTok as a trick to make things appear and disappear. Cuts are the #1 thing that affects the continuity of the story you are trying to tell. In the next lesson, we'll cover some more editing techniques to help you enhance your narrative. I'll see you there.